Hello everyone. In this tutorial, today we will guide you how to show Instagram story to one person, ensuring it remains private from others. Let's get started. First, open Instagram. Look towards the bottom middle of your screen and you'll spot the plus icon. Give that a tap. Then tap Story. Look towards the top right corner on the setting icon, click on it and select Story. Here you'll find the Close Friends option, which allows you to share your story with only chosen individuals or individuals. Select the people you wish to share with. After you've made your selections, lock it in by tapping on Done. Again, Done, and one more time, tap on Done. Just like that, you've set up an exclusive viewing of your Instagram story. Remember, this list can be updated anytime, allowing you to add or remove people as needed. That's all for today's tutorial on how to show your WhatsApp status to one person. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.